Unit 1, Lesson 9, homework with me, Miss Billman. We're going to be looking at 3 different ratio tables. The cool part about these are that all of them are correct, and they're just different ways to look at it. Noreen and Tim each plant groups of flowers in their gardens. Noreen plants 3 in a group, while Tim plants 5 in a group. Okay, well, I'm going to be using ratio table number 1. In these circles, I'm not going to write Noreen and Tim in there. I'm going to write 3 and 5. Now, it is super important that I label these with precision because I don't want to write the wrong thing on them and actually write 3 under Tim and 5 under Noreen. Then it totally messes up. So I write the 3 under Noreen. You could also write just N and Tim. That would work too. Or N and T. So 3 and then 5. Each group goes up by 3 on the left-hand column. Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So I'm going 3, 6, 9, 12. So I'm skip counting by 3s. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but instead of going by 3s, I'm going to go by 5. All of these are also equivalent. Whoa, my mind's blown on that one. They're all equal because they're going up at a constant rate. When I see the plus 3 and the plus 5 on both sides of the columns, that's a really good indication to me of how much they're going up. Maybe it's my first time looking at a rate table and I'm not sure. Ooh, what is this all about? I can know, oh, they're going up by 3, they're going up by 5. It's still a constant rate. You can also feel comfortable enough to put the pluses on each side. So I'm going to do the linking unit, which those are the things that tie it all together. In this case, it's the groups of plants, the groups, right? Because that's what they're doing together. So Grammy Susie's recipe for summer salad is 2 cucumbers for every 3 tomatoes. Now, that's just one batch. One batch has 2 cucumbers and 3 tomatoes. So if she made it like a double batch, we'd have to talk. So on top, I'm going to label my columns C for cucumbers and T for tomatoes. Inside the circles, I'm writing 2 and 3. So batch 1, I have 2 cucumbers and I have 3 tomatoes. Batch 2, I have 4 cucumbers and 6 tomatoes. So you can kind of see where this is going. I'm still going up by 2, 4, 6, 8, or 3, 6, 9, 12. I can go ahead and label my batches on the left-hand side in the column that's labeled batches. And then I can go through and skip count up to where I have my batch 8 with the cucumbers and tomatoes. I can also take that batch number, so batch 6, I'm going to multiply by 2 for cucumbers, so 6 multiplied by 2, and for tomatoes, I'll multiply by 3. The linking unit is what ties it all together. So what is the linking unit? It's the batches. The batches are what links it all together. Number 3, royal purple paint color is made from 3 cans of red paint and 7 cans of blue paint. At the top, I will label R and I'm going to do B for blue, our red hobbies. So in those circles, I'm going to write my 7 under the blue and the 3 under the red. So I know that if my ratio is 3 to 7, I know that I could write that as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and then go by 7s on the other side. This is a pretty basic ratio table, and it doesn't necessarily have the plus on the left-hand side like ratio table 1 does, but you could totally, on any kind of assessment or in real life, label those on there. So the linking unit that is between the royal purple paint color made from 3 cans of red paint, 7 cans of blue paint, it's the cans, each can. So circle each ratio table below. Write numbers to show the 2 multiplication columns that are in each ratio table. So I'm going to look at these and I see it goes up by 7s on the left-hand side. It seems to go up by 3 on the right-hand side on ratio table A. And I'm just, okay, well, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, those are all 3s. 7 to 14, 21, 28, 35. Let's see, 42 and 49. Well, those are all 7. So I'm going to put a 7 at the top and then a 3 at the top of the right-hand column. And I'm going to circle. table A because it is a ratio table. So I'm looking at this. On the right hand side, it goes from 3 to 5. Okay, well, we're adding 2. And then to 8, well, we're adding 3. What? Hey, that is not a ratio table. It's definitely not going up at a constant rate. It's not there. The right-hand column isn't going up at a constant rate. The left-hand column is going to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, but the right hand is not. So looking at ratio table C, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. Yep. Okay, so those are going up at a constant rate. So plus 4, and we're adding 4 on the right-hand side. That seems to go up at a constant rate. So yeah, I mean, this table C is a ratio table, but this time I need to write in the top 9 and 4 as my basic rate. Wow, okie dokie. So I can automatically tell if ones are going down the side of the left-hand column, the right-hand column, it like doesn't even matter what it does. It's still not going up at this ratio table, right? If I still have 1 with 1, I can't have 1 with 2. That just doesn't make sense. I hope this helps. I'm excited to keep going with ratio tables, and I'm excited to see you in class. Have a great day.